Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Of course, the summer started and we tend to make dishes that will keep us cool and hydrating. Today I'm going to share a special recipe that everybody will enjoy. We're going to make curd vermicelli. So usually we tend to have curd rice at times like this, but this curd vermicelli is excellent. It tastes amazing and it's very easy to make. So let's get started and check it out. Here's what you'll need. I'm using 1 cup of roasted vermicelli. This is a standard 250 ml cup measurement. Heat a pan and add 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the vermicelli and roast it again for extra aroma and flavor. Keep the flame low and roast it for about 2 to 3 minutes. This step makes a noticeable difference in the taste. Now let's cook the vermicelli. In a saucepan, bring water to a nice rolling boil. Add a teaspoon of salt, then drop in the roasted vermicelli. Give it a quick mix. It cooks very fast, just a couple of minutes needed. Check the texture. It should be soft but not mushy. So once it's done, drain the water and let it cool completely. Once cooled, transfer the vermicelli to a wide bowl. Add half a cup of boiled and cooled milk. Mix it gently. This helps the vermicelli soften further and prevents it from drying out. Next, take 400 ml of thick curd. Whisk it well until it turns smooth and creamy. This texture is the key to getting that rich, luscious consistency. Now add the curd to the vermicelli and mix it well. You'll notice how beautifully it coats the vermicelli. If it feels a little thick, add some more milk to loosen it slightly. So you can adjust the milk and curd based on the quantity you're making. Finally, the texture should be creamy and slightly gooey but not dry. Now let's add more color and texture to the dish. Add a handful of grated carrot, some chopped green grapes, and a few fresh pomegranate seeds. These are completely optional, but they add a lovely crunch, a mild sweetness, and make the dish visually vibrant. Now give it a gentle mix. Look at that, so colorful and so fresh. This is a great dish to serve when you have guests over or during special occasions. It's simple but feels special. I have added salt only while cooking the vermicelli. Now add another teaspoon of salt and mix everything well so the flavors are evenly combined. Cool, creamy and comforting in every bite. Who's craving to have this curd vermicelli right now? Let me know in the comment section. Well, I'm definitely craving a lot. Now let's finish it with a flavorful tempering. In a pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Once melted, add a handful of ground nuts and a few cashew-nuts. Roast them until golden brown in color. Keep the flame on low, then add 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal and Chana Dal. Let them turn slightly golden. Next, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter. Now add finely chopped ginger and 1 chopped green chili. Give it a quick mix and turn off the flame. Finally, add a pinch of asafoetida and a few fresh curry leaves. Just give it a quick mix and immediately pour this aromatic tempering over the curd vermicelli. Looking for something light, cooling and satisfying, especially on a hot day? This curd vermicelli is perfect comfort dish that comes together in minutes. Soft vermicelli tossed in creamy curd, finished with a flavorful tempering. Every bite is refreshing, soothing and absolutely delicious. Finish it off with a final garnish of pomegranate seeds, grapes and a few roasted cashew-nuts. And that's it. Your creamy and cooling curd vermicelli is ready to be enjoyed. Perfect for hot days, light meals or whenever you want something quick yet comforting. Time to taste. Wow. Crunchy nuts and of course the curd and the vermicelli and the sweetness of all those fruits. Amazing. I am already feeling so nice and cool and so calm. Do try this recipe. It's a great dish that'll keep you cool and refreshing, and it's perfect for the summers. So instead of making the usual curd rice every time, you can try this dish and enjoy. Do try and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.